Hi, I'm Gina Clarke. I'm the editor-in-chief of the Fintech Times at Money 2020 in Amsterdam.
And I'm Frederick Crosby. I'm the Chief Revenue Officer of NIUM, based in San Francisco personally. And I'm also here at Money 2020 in Amsterdam.
Well, it's lovely to be here with you. I guess to start with, we kind of need to go back a little bit and talk about the last 12 to 18 months. How has that been for you?
Crazy. A lot of things happening out there. For one, we got another round that made us our first unicorn in Southeast Asia, working in the fintech world. $200 million investment, great partners, great venture capitalists out there, so we're very excited about that. We're also very busy. We acquired Exaris, the second largest card issuer in Europe. That gave us a great advancement into the travel industry, as well as Wirecard Forex in India, which is giving us a whole new suite of licenses that we can work with out there.
That does sound a lot more busier than my 12 months.
It's a big world. It's a big world. It needs a lot of stuff out there.
So out of all that, what would you say is your key focus at the minute?
Key focus in the moment is to continue our global expansion. So as you might know, NIUM started in Southeast Asia. Gina, our founder, started off focusing on remittances with the company Instagram, but it quickly evolved into something bigger than that, a global platform that ties the whole world's payment infrastructure through one API. Business grew quickly in Asia, and now it's moving off to Europe. Europe is already the majority of our revenue in a matter of just a year and a half of being here, and the Americas, where I'm from now, is quickly coming up to be the third big piece of that puzzle.
Excellent. Global expansion sounds, it's almost world domination, isn't it? Moving from global to
Well, no, really, it's what the world economy is asking for. So while there has been a lot of talk about nationalist tariffs and things like that over the last 5 years, it's not the truth. What people are looking for is the best talent, the best goods, the ways that they can cover more markets, everything quite easily, but that's a complicated world. All the various regulations you got to follow, all the various banking account schemes and things you can or can't do. People are looking for a simplification on how to manage this whole world problem, and that's where we come in. So to do it right, you got to be busy around the world.
And what do you think, I mean, you've talked on sort of regulation there as well. What do you think are some of the challenges alongside the opportunities that we've got at the moment?
Well, when you're covering all the markets we do payouts in 190 countries, 40 jurisdictions under licenses that we have for help with pay-ins and card issuings. They don't all march in the same pace. Every country has its own regulations at the right time. So if you don't have that global presence, and we're located in 17 different cities around the world, you'll quickly lose and be out of touch, and you won't be able to survive. So the biggest challenge for us is to make sure that we keep up with all the regions out there and provide our clients a seamless experience no matter what they're doing. Because at the end, that's the goal. We don't want the customer to worry about it. We'll do the worrying, we provide the service, and you'll be globally comprehensive.
Definitely. And I mean, in terms of such a wide-ranging industry, what do you think are some of the top products and services at the moment that are being offered?
Well, payouts has been around for a long time, and we do it optimally where we have 60 of our corridors in real time. That's a big jump. When I first started in payments, I've worked at Western Union, I've worked at PayPal. When you did any kind of cash settlement through banks, you used to wait 2 or 3 days internationally. Now people want it within a snap. So 60% of our transactions are now delivered internationally under 15 minutes. This is new and it's in demand. People recognize it as a cash flow opportunity internally for people to manage around. But then on the flip side, the emergence of cards and card issuance has become a very popular item because of the card scheme way of being very easy to embed into other kind of platforms and services, ease of administrating payments, being able to integrate into new functions and functionality that people haven't had before. That's an exploding market for us. Card issuance is red hot.
Sounds like it's an exciting time then.
It's a very exciting time, and we've had a pleasure to meet a lot of great companies and sign up a lot of great clients. What's happened in the world of payments is fantastic, right? We've unlocked the genie out of the bottle, and people can now offer all kinds of new services when they get a hold of an infrastructure like that. If I could offer a variety of different client use cases just to kind of showcase that, we have a client such as Tread, a neobank that comes in, focused on people who are very concerned about the environment, offering people ability to spend and understand their carbon footprint. They go into market quite quickly because they can work with a partner like us, where before, if you did that, it would take a long time to figure out all the payment schemes. You have other folks like Weaver, who built on top of us. Great partner. We just announced our partnership just earlier in the week. They take our infrastructure and they're building even a simplification layer on top of that to help SMBs quickly go to market all around the world.
Great.
You look at every region, there's something going on like that where people just need to expand, offer more services quickly. So it's been an exciting time for us to kind of help people do that.
And here at Money 2020, is that a chance for you to catch up with your partners, or is it make new business? What's the key issue?
Can you hear my voice? Yes, yes, and yes. All the partners are out there. And it's so great to meet face to face again, right? This is great. There's no monitor around you, there's no monitor around me.
It's very different.
It's very different, but it's also incredibly efficient. You come to Money 2020, you can sit down, folks, you can have conversations, you can land deals. There's a little bit more of trust and promise when you're sitting there face to face with folks. And the whole network of folks that we haven't seen for 2 years, what I call the extended Fintech family, is so excited to be back together.
Well, it's been lovely to speak to you. I'll let you get back to seeing that family.
All right, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.